Hi, just got an unboxing here. This came this morning and something I won on eBay. So let's carefully get it out. Put it there. It's a graded item, but it's not mint on card, it's with the card. I don't know if you can see the character there. But let's carefully open it. So I was on eBay on Monday, I think, and saw this was about to end. I'd just been watching it, so I thought I'd have a go on it. Should be, I think it's UK, yeah, UKG. There we go. So it's a loose figure with the card back displayed with it. That's the Tri-Logo hybrid, isn't it? So not bad. Figure's graded 85. It says Snaggletooth PvP 1978 GMF GI no coup scar. Figure 85, paint 85. So pretty cool there. Let's see if you can see it better. So that's your Spanish PvP. I've already got this figure loose graded, but it hasn't got the same gun. This has got the correct weapon. It's got the what you call the harm blaster. That's your Tri-Logo card or hybrid card. And yeah, it's got a tear there, but not bad. So it's got the Tri-Logo back, Palatoy front on the card, and it's the Spanish figure. So that's what I picked up. So as it was like an auction, I sort of got it for about 97 quid, which isn't bad for a graded red snag, Spanish variant, graded 85. That's sort of the going price, plus you get the card as well. So that's what I just unboxed and picked up. Great image on the card. That's from the Star Wars Holiday Special. So there we go, red snag. Anyway, hope you like looking at that. Cheers, goodbye.